Like the
Don't
rumours.
touch the car.
No, you can touch the car.
I can
You're
touch
fine.
it. You can touch the car.
Oh yeah, the dash is on.
Dash is on. Have a
It's
look.
actually done 1,656 miles.
1,000. But if it doesn't, it's going to have to be another one of them cars that we commit to working on and try and find out whether it starts at the end, which I don't want to do. Usually, the pyro fuse is located just after the battery or pretty close to it, and it only cuts power going to the starter motor on the car. You'll still get all the electrics working inside, just like we had a minute ago, but when you press the start button, there's no power able to go to the starter motor. Next thing I tried was plugging in my diagnostic tool to see if that would tell me the reason this car won't start, but my tool wouldn't read it.
Dips.
Yo,
Do you think you can get this started?
I'm really not sure, to be honest.
So we got Dips down here to plug in his diagnostic tool to see if that would read the car, but no luck. So we're seeing this more and more over and over again. The newer the cars get, the least thing they want is DIYs working on the car. And this is another perfect example. We cannot even talk to the car unless we have an Otis. And Otis, you can't even buy public, can you?
So you can get Otis for VAG, so VW Audi Seat Skoda.
Yeah.
But for Otis for Lamborghini, it's locked down a lot.
So we can't even get the tool which speaks to the car. And if there's going to be a pyro fuse, it'll be around here.